Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, a lot of you guys may know that I just dipped my new RS6 in Desert Tan. It's a new color that we have, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And all I can think about every time I walk up to the car or see it in different lights is, what would Desert Tan look like with a color shift over it? Now, I know you may be thinking, Desert Tan, that's not a really good color shift base. But is it? Sometimes you use the weird stuff and you get the best end result. So here's what we're using on top of the Desert Tan today. This is Mardis Gras Color Shift. This is supposed to be one of the most saturated white powder interference shifts there is. A lot of times when you look at interference pearls, you can't really get a lot off the bag. But with this one, when you shift it back and forth and you move it around, you can see blues, purples, pinks, even greens popping off. So I'm very excited to use this pearl. So Mardis Gras over Desert Tan, let's jump right in. All right, guys, we're done with today's project, and I've said it 1,000 times before, but this is exactly why we love to play with different colors. I can't believe how cool this car looks. We're gonna go outside right now so you can check it out. If you wanna dip your own car, we have a ton of colors to choose from. Click right up here, it'll bring you to all of our car kits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe to our channel as well. Leave a comment below because I wanna know what you think about how this project came out. It's Fonzie, I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, guys, we're done. Take two. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you this. I don't need to talk. All right, guys, we're done with today's project, and I've said it 1,000 times before, and I'll say it another 1,000 times. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for taking the time to subscribe.